and sales is there, and that's sort this data. So we are going to get the higher to lower segment. So now first and foremost, let me change this axis vertically. As a header, default I say let it be like this. I'm changing the axis also, edit axis. The title is also sales in INR. Range are uniforms. If you want any specific range you want to be given, currently it's going for 0 to 650k. If you want to increase it to, let's say I say let it be 800k, that's a fine. So it automatically create a space on top because the data is the bar is lesser than the size available. So tick marks are there. So if you want to, you can show the tick marks. Let's say if lakhs I'm getting, or if I remove it to 10,000, to 10,000 wise, icons are there. If it's needed, you can go for. Otherwise, if data is small one, you can remove it. Even you cannot, if you not want to show the axis, you can remove it from there. So let it be automatic. The major text. So if you say between these two axes, I want something to be show. I'll say let's show 10k wise. You are getting the small icons there of lines. So you can make more readable for you end user. If you want, you can change it to your different values types. So this is for your major axis. This is for minor axis. So major is again fixed, or you want every I'll say on every 20,000 I want one axis to be there. You can get it. If you say it would be 200,000. So depending on your value given, your axis will be that line. Done. So let's go for annotation part. For annotation, we are doing right click. You can annotate. So we are doing the point and area. Area is like you are putting masses in normal plane area. So I'll say category wise sales chart. You can write any informations. You want to increase the font, you can increase the font. You can put it somewhere where you think is readable to your user. You can change the font and other things are there. So it is not connected to any source. If you want to, you connect to your source and change the source. In that case, I want to go for point data. So in that case, say I'll say pointed sales value is, I'll say let me remove this home. I want to make a single sentence. So if you change your pointing, I'll change the values. Then if you go here, you change the value. So it's a point notations there. If you want, you can drag it here. If needed, you can get it pointed to some other locations. So if you want to focus on the specific task or in this data value, you can use the pointed annotations.